Hello there, everyone. For years now, I have been fascinated in studying a certain subject, and I've been drawn to studying the most complex structure in the known universe. That structure is the brain, specifically the human brain. Now, the brain is made up of very many different parts and contains roughly 100 billion neurons that send, receive, and translate information. Today, I will be discussing one part of the brain, which is the pinnacle of the evolution of the brain. And that part of the brain, which many people may have seen, is called the neocortex. Now, as I stated, the brain does have many parts, as you can see from this diagram right here. However, when people usually picture the brain, what they are picturing is the neocortex. Now, in this picture, you can see right there the neocortex, which is the outermost layer. You can distinguish it by the grooves, the gyruses. Now, the outermost part of the brain is the neocortex. That's where all the gray matter is. Now, the neocortex is a central part to how we as humans are aware and conscious. And, according to the National Institute of Health, the neocortex is the newest addition of the brain. It is considered the center and pinnacle of human cognitive ability. Along with this, in humans and in other animals with the neocortex, it has led to improved information processing. In regards to the development of the neocortex, referencing the information in the Oxford Journal, it began a very, very long time ago, millions of years ago in reptiles, as a three-layered cortex, far less advanced than what we have today. Now, as time went on, in ancient mammals, it began to develop into a six-layered structure. That six-layered structure is the neocortex. So the neocortex is layered. The extra layers allow for the more advanced information processing. Now, the biology lab at Dartmouth College has stated that the neocortex makes up the majority of the brain in size, which was obvious from the diagram earlier. But it is important as a lot of information goes throughout the neocortex to other parts of the brain. Now it goes through the other parts of the brain through axons. And according to Dartmouth, what is important are the larger axon tracts, as through the larger axon pathways, stronger signals of information are able to pass. These are also connected by things called dendrites. Now, along with that, there are very many things that go along with the brain, and even in the neocortex, it can be broken down into many different parts that connect and process information, memories. They even affect how we make decisions. Now, how all this could be broken down, it could be broken down in many lectures or books, but my hope is that through the information that I presented today, you have obtained a slightly firmer grasp of how the brain works, specifically the neocortex, and how that ties into making us who we are. Now, admittedly, it is a complicated subject, but it is worthy to delve into, which is why I am doing that. Thank you all for your time.